We are fishing by the window. And look, she got two fish at the same time.
Oh, there's so many fish. Man, where are we going to put it? In your pail?
Yeah.
See? There, shoot. Ew. Wala akong gloves. Hindi ko mahanap. Kaya kailangan pag-ingat talaga tayo. Upa!
Wow. And I take a bath now. Look, my mom is now fishing. And then, look how she fish. These are the steps on how to fish. Put the fish food over there, and then go there, and then put the fishing rod there.
Mahulog yung cellphone, mahulog. Anuhin mo yung cellphone, ilayo mo yan.
And then
Mahulog yan ako. Nandiyan
and
yung
then
ating document.
and then when the fishing rod move without you moving it, that means the fish is eating the food, and that is the bait.
Yeah, so that's the time you pull the rod,
Yeah,
fishing rod.
she's correct. And it is risky for me to video.
Life is so dangerous when
And that is the fish that my mom is cutting for the fish food, and that is bait.
now I got the
And in a while ago,
I got
she
the
caught
fish, Eric.
lots of fish.
Eric, I got the fish.
Okay. So my mom caught the fish.
Put them in the pail to relax.
Nice.
Before we will put them back.